Welcome to this vlog. So this vlog is not my usual type of vlog. It's not my usual type of content. Although I've made content like this here and there, but it's not my favorite thing to do. I'm sure you already know by now. It's called cooking. I don't like it for anything, even though I'm a badass in the kitchen. I mean, so I'm here at my cousin's having her friends over. So she begged me to come and make smoky jollof rice for her. I hope I don't mess things up after all my big mouth here. Let's see how it goes though. I already seasoned the meat, then she now bought this extra one. Salt, KNORR cubes, paprika, curry. So I made it a bit more salty because I want this meat stock to be very tasty. Never use iron spoon when you're cooking because it's health-wise it's not good, number one, and then it makes your food burn. So that's just the tip. Yes, always use plastic or wooden spoon because it's not scratching on the bottom of the pot and the lead from the iron is not entering your system. go. Rice is ready, babies. I just left it on the fire to burn because I want that smoky jollof taste and aroma. It's burning already. I'm sure I can already tell from the smoke you're seeing on your screen, but it tastes so good. I'm proud of myself. Like, I've never had to make rice this much before because I just cook in smaller quantity, but yeah, see the big pot. And the rice, it tastes really good. I was scared that maybe salt would be more or pepper, but everything is just perfect. I love it. Just check out that color. This is the type of rice they pay money for, with fried meats. Let me pause with my rice. Cheese. I'm so goofy, man. Now I just changed into my house coat because I want to go shower again. Immediately I came back, I just removed my dress. I forgot that I haven't even updated you, so I just changed into this house coat to say something, just tell you guys how it went, and then go shower again. This is my second shower for today. Get ready and head to the birthday party I have to attend, or the birthday get together / games night, something of that sort. So yeah, the rice was good. I called my mom. I was even telling her my mom traveled. She's been away for about 5 days now, so she's on her way back with her sister. I just said that they're like, oh, keep for us. So I can't wait to brag some more. In case you want someone to do party jollof for you, book me. My charges are high though, but yeah, you can afford me. Oh my goodness, let me go and shower now, and then I will see you guys when I'm about leaving and end the vlog. My nieces are so cute. You guys see them, Amara and Alina. I've shown them on my vlog before when they were still babies back in the village. We came for Christmas one time, and she came for Christmas as well with the children, and I vlogged them. I can't remember if you watched this. If you're an oldie on this channel, I'm sure by some stroke of luck you must have seen it, but if you're a newbie, I doubt that. I will look for the vlog and link it. If I can't, then I'll just forget about it. But yeah, my nieces and my nephew are so cute. Enough talking, let me go and shower. See you guys later. I hope I can get ready in 1 hour. See ya. And I'm ready. Ready. I'm wearing this 2-piece. I've worn it before. It's from Apostle Kudu. She's a Port Harcourt based designer, and it's so good. The finishing of this is amazing. You won't believe that it's made in Nigeria, at least to me. I paired it with my Jacquard bag. I think I'm wearing mostly made in Nigeria today. And my accessories, I'm sweating so bad, there's no light. My accessories are rose gold, my watch, band, my whatever, everything. Christ, see my face. Once I get into the car to dry up. On my feet, I have on these green sandals from Sam Edelman. It's cute, just simple flats. Can't believe I made it on time. I came back home around to 2, had my bath, did my makeup, and it just passed 3. Her invite stated 3 o'clock, so I'm not so late. I just want to head somewhere now and check for a gift bag. I forgot yesterday, and put the gift I got for her. Yeah. I found the gift bag in Everyday. Everyday Emporium is always my plug for everything. Even though this is way more expensive than I usually get it from Witness. This is almost 1,000 naira, but it works and it's so beautiful. I love how it looks, and it's the perfect. Oops! Ooh, my camera just fell. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, and it's the perfect size for the things I want to give her. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It's so pretty. See, my camera doesn't want to stay, but yeah, I've gotten the gift bag. I will talk to you later. I don't think I'm going to vlog. Stay one place now. See if he's hearing me. I don't think I'm going to vlog at the party because if he doesn't like camera, I mentioned it in one vlog where we both went for brunch or late lunch, whatever. She doesn't like camera as much, so I try to respect that. I'm just going to have fun, play games, have good conversations, possibly make new friends. Yeah, it's just going to be a fun day. I can't believe that I made it because I've had a lot going on since morning. But yeah, that's it. I will end this vlog here. I hope you enjoyed watching. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you in my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.